What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencian. Welcome back to Chula Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for reaction video for your requested performance of Ruel Carino of Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. Yes, thank you so much po sa nag-send ng link for this performance. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chula Asia Diaries. And mega love shoutout sa mga ka-RCFC natin all over the world. Ano mga pang inaantay natin? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh, saan tong performance na to, guys? Formal ang bunso, oh. Pogi! Kakantahin niya ba to with his real vocal or ala Matt Monroe din? Or baka Eric Clapton? Ah, Matt Monroe. In fairness. Ooh, love that. Grabe ang hagod ng bunso. Super smooth. And I love the outfit. Tell me, guys, which event is this? You can comment down below. Parang nangaharana lang. Grabe, parang nangaharana lang, no? Very sweet and soothing lang ang vocal ng bunso. At I think he's using little Matt Monroe and his vocal as well. Smooth na smooth. Wow, he's doing his own style. That is so good. Nakaka-ano, no? Nakaka-mesmerize yung version niya. Ibang hagod. And that, you know, yung version niya talaga na kala mo kakapusin ng high notes. Talagang style niya yun na parang kang kakabahan for him, but he is doing it. Parang nasanay na siya na ganun yung style ng singing niya when he's hitting the high note. Nagano pa yung echo. Sakit, bunso. Parang nagising siya doon. Smooth lang. Siya naman nagkikwentuhan sa ano, para may chismisan sila. Oh my God, kinata niyo na ba to on live TV? Iba yung ano, kahit na audience view lang, you can feel the sincerity and genuine, yung lambing ng kanyang execution. Oh, what a nice rendition. Hey! Ang smooth ng bunso for today's video. Yay! That's it! There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino for his rendition of Wonderful Tonight. What a smooth singing vocal from Ruel. Very good execution. Na-miss natin yung ganyan, yung parang nanliligaw na talaga siya. Pero syempre, bata pa siya, guys. Wala pa yung nililigawan. Focus daw muna siya sa career niya, di ba? And of course, ano masasabi niyo sa performance na to, guys? And let me know anong event ito na inatenan ng ating bunso. And of course, kung may mga link pa kayo ng kanyang performance, definitely you can comment down below or send it to me directly to my Instagram, Truly John Valencia, para po ma-reactan natin ang ating bunso, Ruel Carino. And maraming salamat po for always supporting our reaction. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shoelace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.